Welcome to CardiHab's Digital Cardiac Rehab application. This app is designed to give patients the ability to deliver more convenient, flexible, and engaging services for you to reach optimal health when at risk of or living with heart disease. Let us show you how to get started to download the app. Start off by opening the App Store on your main screen and type in the search bar. Tap Get beside the app Smart CR and wait for it to download. Then either click Open, where it will take you straight into the app, start off by registering your first name, last name, and selecting your gender and date of birth. Then click Next. Type in the mobile number you want linked to the app, because shortly a code will be sent to the selected number. Then type your provider site, which will be supplied to you by one of your CardiHab's team members. Click Register. You will receive an instant text message from CardiHab. Open the text message and take note of the code number, because you will need it to enter into the app, and then click Verify Code. You have now successfully registered for your CardiHab program. Allow up to an hour for CardiHab's nursing staff to complete your assessment before you can use the app. Continue to open the app to see if you can then enter your data, which will indicate you've been assessed and ready to use. Thank you for watching and enjoy using.